Hi friends, welcome to ScienceX channel. Today we are going to make the IR remote control robot using Arduino Uno. Let's get started. In this project we need 4 BO motors, one Arduino Uno board, L298N driver to control the BO motors. We need a IR receiver and a transmitter module. We need 2 batteries and 1 battery holder, and we need 4 wheels. So these are the components we required. First we need a chassis for making the robot. See here I fixed all components because I already made some videos how to fix these components and clamps. So if you have any doubt on this, you just watch my previous videos. This is available in the channel. A very clear explanation is available. Okay. In order to reduce the time, I keep that content. Here in that chassis I fixed all components like Arduino board, L298N driver, and then one battery holder attached with the switch. Okay, so this is the chassis and components. PO motors I fixed backside. It is noted that I used a bolted nut to attach these components. I am not using double side tape or glue gun. Troubleshooting is creating many problems, so that I am using a small bolted nut to attach the component. It is better to use bolted nut to attach the component, otherwise it will come out from the chassis. It creates many hectic. Okay, so I made some small mount to place the IR receiver module. Here also I used bolted nut to mount the component. Before mounting that, in order to balance the height, I use some small double side tape to attach the receiver. Now we have to connect the wiring. Wiring is very important. I will give the pin diagram in the description box. You just see that pin diagram before attaching the pins. Okay, so L290N driver having 6 pins: enable A, enable B, in 1, in 2, in 3 and in 4. Okay, so we have to connect those pins into the Arduino board. Enable A is 5th pin of the Arduino board. Enable B is 9th pin of the Arduino board. In 1 is 7th pin of the Arduino board. In 2 is 6th pin of the Arduino board. In 3 is 4th pin of the Arduino board. And in 4 is 3rd pin of the Arduino board. These are the connections for L298N driver. Then IR receiver module having 3 pins. We have to connect those pins also. So in these 3 pin, one is a signal pin, another 2 is a power pin. Power pin should go 5 volt of the Arduino board, and then ground pin should be connected with the ground pin of the Arduino board. That signal pin goes to 11th pin of the Arduino board. So now coming to the L298N driver, see here. There are 3 pins are provided for power connections. So in 3 pins, center pins goes to ground. Okay, center pins goes to ground, and then right side pin goes to positive of the battery pin. Battery pin positive should be connected right side of the first pin. Right side first pin. Center pin is a negative pin. Negative pin means a ground pin. Ground pin should connected with Arduino ground and battery ground. And then left side third pin is connected with the V-in pin of the Arduino board. Okay, these are the connection, power connection. Now I will place the battery to check the connections are correct or wrong. Then I switched on the connections. Now it see that L290N driver and Arduino board should blinking with the LED, which means that the connections are correct. After made all connections, the final robot look like this. Now we have to code the Arduino board. Friends, we need to install one library in order to operate IR remote control. So that library is available in the Arduino IDE itself. You just open the sketch library manager and type IR remote. Okay, it will come a list of libraries available. Then you just go for Armin, ARMIN, JOACIMSMYER, Geosmyer. So this is the person writing this IR remote library. You have to install this library before uploading the full code, Arduino code. Otherwise your code will not uploading, it will show error. Also you have to check the updated version. If you are installing previous versions, which means the older versions of the library, it will not work. First you have to install the library, then update the latest version. Okay, that will available in the sketch itself. So that is very important. Here remote control robot project, we have to first take the hex code from the receiver module. For that we have to upload a code. Particularly in this project we have two codes. One code used for hex code extraction, another code is used for to operate the robot. I will give one by one procedure. First is we have to extracting the code from the IR remote module. For that I remove the power connections first. Before connecting the board to the computer, we have to remove the battery power connections. Then I use USB cable to upload the code. So now what we have to do, we have to open the Arduino IDE and then you just open the code, hex code extraction. There is a code called hex, HEX code. In that IR module, every pin having a different hex code, separate hex code. So we have to know which code is used for which pin. There are different type of buttons are provided. Each button having different hex code. So we have to extract that code. Okay. After opening the code, we have to open the serial monitor and then we have to press buttons one by one. In this project we are going to use 5 buttons. 5 buttons are used for moving forward and moving backward, turn left, turn right and then stop. First I will press the backward button. So there is a hex code will coming. I will show it in that monitor. Then left turn and then forward, left and then right, finally stop. So these are the 5 buttons we are used. So we are getting the hex code. After getting this hex code, we have to open the full Arduino code in order to operate the robot. Wherever the hex code is present, we have to insert what the hex code we received. So it is noted that every IR remote control module having different hex code. Suppose if you want to make this robot for your project, you have to extract the hex code first. You should not use what the hex code I am using here. If you are using same hex code, it will not work. This is the full code. In this code, what I wrote, if I press the forward button, the vehicle will move forward. If I press backward button, the vehicle will move backward direction. If I press the left and the right button, the vehicle will turn left and turn right. If I press the stop button, center button, the vehicle will stop. Okay, this is a very simple arrangement. I given this code in the description box. If you want, you can download. This is all about the coding. Next we have to check the output. Okay, this is the final output of this project. You see that whenever we press the key, that the remote IR remote, the vehicle will move according to our need. Okay, move forward, move backward, turn right, turn left. So this is all about the IR remote module. This project is working very good. If you are not subscribing my channel yet, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. We will see in the next video. Bye.